Cool. All right. So, which data subcategory, buzzword, will still exist 5 years from now from that list?
Wow. Probably the ones that have existed at least 5 years ago.
That's fair.
Right? Which would be data governance,
Yeah.
data quality, and there's a couple here. Data lineage.
Data
lineage. Yeah.
And which one or ones won't, you think?
Data observability. Not I think zero ETL. I feel like that's a good way to like get market share, but it's it is ETL.
All right.
I'll be honest, metric layer.
All right.
It's a tough one.
That's fair. I still don't understand it fully. So,
Yeah, I don't understand.
That might be it.
And let's see, data activation. I think it's a real thing, but I don't think the buzzword.
It didn't stick.
It didn't stick.
And next one, if you flip the page, what's the first thing that comes to mind when you see that image?
Where's our logo? No, I think this is.
You need a microscope.
The first thing, 0% interest rate phenomenon. And I see Jerome Powell just like smiling over all of this. His face. This is what he has wrought.
And two more questions that are two-parters. First one, which soft skills do you think data teams need to learn in 2023? Or soft skills?
Ooh, soft skills. I mean, this has been nothing new, but I think it's increasingly important. It's speaking the language of the business.
Okay.
Specifically, like learning about what metrics are used to run the business.
Okay.
Starting from, I'm going to use Abhi's metric tree example. Like starting from like the top metrics. So if you work at a startup, it might be like AR growth and churn rate. / retention, and then like pulling on the yarn and all the way down, like saying like what are the metrics that different departments care about, that different individuals care about, and then once you're able to understand what someone cares about, then you have a much better conversation with them, which is the soft skill number 2. Okay, that's not a soft skill, that's a hard skill.
No, but understanding the business, soft skill, hard skill, one of the two.
It's one of them,
yeah.
It's talking to business stakeholders, but like really talking with them, not just like throwing a calendar event, like chit-chatting, or but like asking the 5 whys and treating it almost as if you're a product person talking to a customer and trying to understand like what their pain points are, why that.
Gotcha. This thing is wigging out. I gotta flip it around like that.
Good.
There we go. All right, no more wigging out. So, next question. Which hard skill? Could be learning Python, could be learning SQL, something else.
Ooh, okay. I'm gonna be on the bandwagon for a second and say prompting.
Prompting?
Prompting LLMs.
All right.
Yeah, like learning, but going one level deeper than prompting and learning like all the little hacks to effectively build prompts is going to be an important skill. Whether or not you're like putting LLMs into your product based on your company, which everyone wants to, I don't think everyone's going to pull it off. But like doing it for yourself, both to like help write SQL, for example, which I do, or help write unit tests, or to even help writing like business documents and communication. It's just like the prompts that you're writing are probably not the best.
Okay. And last question, what do you think is the biggest issue of stakeholders reporting bugs to the data team? Whether it's on a dashboard, whether it's a model, something, what do you think is broken about the process, or do you think the process is broken at all?
I think the process is, I think it should never happen, honestly.
Okay.
I think the entire process existing is the problem. Is that like stakeholders should never be the ones to find out data issues. Now,
I haven't heard that answer yet. That's true though. That's the right answer.
It's just like, okay, if they found out, the damage is done. Right? The damage is done. Like
a little trust is lost already.
Exactly. It's very hard to regain. But it's it's an uneven playing field, because like of course they're going to be the ones to find it because they have the domain expertise.
They're in it more often than not.
Yeah, that's the problem.
All right, the camera wigged out a lot, but I think we got it.
I think we got it. Yeah, that was
Appreciate
good.
it. Yeah. Thank you.